Okay, I placed this second bird feeder farther back in the woods than the other one. Figured I'd be able to film the birds a little better. And sure enough, I'm getting a much better shot of them. They're not running away like they did from the first one. Probably because it's a little farther back in the woods, I think. And there's that, oh, there he went again. I was talking about the titmouse. There's a lot of them out here too. It's nice and cool this morning, but it's going to be up to 81 later today, which is terrible, as far as I'm concerned, for this time of year. I'm not one of these people who wants it summertime weather 12 months a year. I prefer seasons. Just think we had an ice storm a week ago.